just ready to get back into my Sunday reset era. I've been sleeping with my clothes. Everything that I create eats the girls up. A little bit above her navel.
A man must be prepared to give 100% to his purpose.
Rich rising, you guys. It is Sunday. I think it's like 8 o'clock. It is so gloomy outside, but I am doing like my Sunday reset. I haven't done a Sunday reset in so long, but I'm just ready to get back into my Sunday reset era because I don't know if you know, but organizing and cleaning on Sunday just prepares you for the week. I feel like, in my opinion, it just clears everything, opens up new opportunities, and just everything for the new week ahead. So that's why I like to clean up on Sundays, so that way I'll just go into the week without having to worry about cleaning up also. So I'm about to put my laundry away. I have more laundry to do. Clean my bathroom, make my bed, clean the kitchen, mop the floors, living room, you know. Anyways, everything is gonna get clean, but I'm trying to do it in under like 2 hours. Like, I'm trying to like freaking be superwoman, like, cause I don't want to be cleaning all day. I know how I get. I'm very tedious, particular, OCD, but not OCD. And I'll see one thing and then I'll see another and then I'll end up cleaning something else. And I just want to stay focused and I just want to clean what needs to be cleaned, okay? I'm not trying to do a whole deep dive, which I feel like I need to. But we'll see what happens because, like I said, I'm trying to be done in like 2 hours. Also, I have 2 prom consultations, one at 1, and then I think one is at 3 or 4. So, yeah, let's get her done. Oh, I got on my waist trainer because we got 3 months till summer. So, what are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? You gonna keep playing around or you gonna get your body right? And I don't work out on the weekends. Sometimes I'll go for a walk or something, but it's really gloomy out. Look like it's gonna rain today, so I don't know what's going on with that. But I got my waist trainer on. This one is amazing. It provides back support so that we're not slouching because baby girl and baby boy, if you're a boy, we not gonna be slouching. Like, that's not cute. That's not ladylike. It's not classy. It's not demure. So get you one of these. I got it off TikTok shop and they come in pink also. And yeah. Anyways, all right, let's clean up. First, look how crazy it looks out here. Like, it looks, I don't know, crazy. Look at all these clothes on my bed. Don't judge me, but I've been sleeping with my clothes like for the past 3 days because I just haven't felt like putting them away. And it's like, girl, that is not. Anyways, we finna get it together right now. Come through, girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do, so get your ass in that car, come through. Do you know what thing that I like? Do you know you got to know you got to?
Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me
I'm not gonna use this today, but I finally opened my steamer and I'm so excited because like y'all know I love gadgets and gadgets. This is a handheld steamer. It has like so many different attachments. I got it off TikTok shop and I am so excited to use this. Like I don't even know what I'm gonna use it on, but you can use it on in the bathroom, your office, toilet, windows, cloth. I might do my furniture. I don't know. We gonna see. But yeah, TikTok shop.
On morning side, got no stake in the ride. If I take flicks with the guys, I gotta put emojis over like 3 faces, cause the feds can't see those eyes. People I shouldn't be beside. When I was an actor, they would go Stratford just to sell food on Bieber's side. Plenty reasons why I'm this way, my girl, that's just one reason why. I seen you around that Soto enough, man, baby. You love all some idiot guys. Obedient guys, jokers and comedian guys. You know I'm like 6'2" in the right shoe, love, but you love all some medium guys. I wanna keep you on the beach till 6 a.m. so you see sunrise. Seen you from the stage in the 100s, these must be eagle eyes. Pressing against me, thinking about entry, know you could tell it's a decent size. You wanna know the real me, girl, say you wanna see deep inside. If Chubbs has on a Chanel side bag, you don't wanna see him reach inside. But we know some demon guys with jealous and evil eyes. You know that's how Jesus died, you know that's how Julius Caesar died. I bet they were decent guys, I swear they remind me of me sometimes. I'm trying to be under your breast like peas and rice. You never get treated nice. Fool you once, that's fine, but you look dumb if you let them repeat it twice. 200 mil on the table, I hope I'm able to get this agreement signed. Told you I needed time, but really the truth is I don't believe in time. Feel like I've been here over 1,000 years, like since the medieval times. And I'm still just a cutthroat king, even though this is recent times. A man like that we're beefing with, but we don't do grieving time. Fuck losing time.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Lying if I said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you are the truth. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having this place on earth, and I will take you there. I'll take you, show you something, give you more than words. With you having this place on.
We hit the club and it's cops full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the deal. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. Run the block, she's not on the shot. So you know that bitch bad, watch her blow. It's the way.
Satisfy my every need.
right, it is 12:40. I'm trying to hurry up because my consultation is at 1. I just got out the shower and I want to look somewhat presentable. So let me do these little edges right quick. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. I just realized I didn't eat nothing. Y'all know I'm supposed to be eating at least 2 times a day. That's good for, it's just, yeah. Okay. Consultation went amazing. Like, her dress is gonna eat the girls up, okay? First of all, everything that I create eats the girls up. But I'm just super excited. Y'all know how I get when I get in my creative bag. And it's that season. It's spring. Spring is springing forward. It's time to get to the coins, to the cheddar, to the money. And I'm just so excited to be creating. I love creating. I just wish I had like, for some reason, it's only like during spring where I'm like, when prom season roll around, I be like in my creative zone. And I just wish I could be like that throughout the whole year. But anyways, maybe that's just how I operate. Maybe that's just how I am, and that's okay. But yeah, what am I finna do? I'm excited. Okay, calm down. I'm about to eat. And then I think I have another prom consultation at 3. So yeah, your girl is booked and busy. Doing that thing again. Moving that tongue with that ring again. You're doing that thing, you're doing that thing, you're doing that thing again. Moving that tongue with that ring again. Y'all been listening to Drake and Party Next Door album on repeat all day, every day. Like, what? It's just something about, something about. Y'all gonna be tired of me because that's all I be listening to. Baby girl. Anyways, I just made me some chai tea and being extra with the oat milk today because that's my business. I made me some tofu burrito. I wish I had some potatoes and avocado, but I'm saving my avocado for later because I don't think I'm going to the stove. If I go to the stove, then okay, maybe I'm being lazy, but whatever. That's my business. Mm. Oh, yeah.
What did you?
What made me realize what you were saying? Like, you didn't want like a lining under the whole bottom. You just wanted more detail, more rhinestone. Okay. It's gonna be the bust. So you're just gonna wrap it around her back up to the front like this. Like a little bit above her navel. Was there anything else that stood out in chapter 12 to you guys?
A man must be prepared to give 100% to his purpose, fulfill his karma or dissolve it, and then let go of that specific form of living. He must be capable of not knowing what to do with his life, entering a period of unknowingness and waiting for a vision or a new form of purpose to emerge. That's how we really got on like the topic of like purpose. But yeah, I feel like that's literally what I'm doing. But it's also kind of frustrating, which I think he also mentioned in here as well. Like, it says this is a sign of growth, but you may mistake it as a sign of failure. So like, I feel like I'm doing all these freaking, what does he say? Penetrating these circles.
You reach towards and you achieve, but a purpose is like your reason why you make goals. Like, it's the underpinning, it's the motive, like.
And just like that, another Sunday reset comes to a close. As we step into this new week, I want you to remember, you are grounded, you are protected, and you are guided. Everything you need is already within you. Take a deep breath and release anything that doesn't serve your peace. Inhale clarity, exhale doubt. Affirm with me. I am aligned with my purpose. I honor my body, my mind, and my spirit. I trust the divine timing of my life. I release what no longer serves me. I welcome peace, order, and divine alignment. I am ready to receive what this week has for me. Remember, cleaning isn't just about the space. It's a sacred act of self-love. Keep creating an environment that supports your growth and your glow. Thank you for spending this reset with me. May your week be intentional, your energy be protected, and your spirit be nourished. Until next time, stay rooted, stay radiant. Sending you so much peace, love, light, abundance, joy, healing, and all the good things.